Chime SpotMe and Current are both designed to help you avoid declined transactions, but they work differently. Chime SpotMe focuses on fee-free overdraft coverage for eligible members, while Current combines digital banking with additional features that help you manage everyday spending. By the end of this video, you'll know the biggest differences between Chime SpotMe and Current and which one is the better choice for your banking needs. If you're deciding between them, the short answer is this. Choose Chime SpotMe if your priority is overdraft protection on everyday purchases and debit card transactions. Choose Current if you want a broader digital banking experience with budgeting features and other account tools. Let's start with Chime SpotMe. SpotMe is a feature available to eligible Chime members. Once you qualify, it can cover eligible debit card purchases and cash withdrawals that exceed your available balance, up to your approved SpotMe limit. Instead of functioning like a traditional loan, it helps prevent declined transactions when your balance comes up short. Because SpotMe is built directly into the Chime account, it's especially useful for people who receive their paycheck through direct deposit and want extra flexibility between paydays. Current takes a different approach. Current is a digital banking app that emphasizes daily money management. You can receive direct deposits, track spending, create savings goals, and monitor your account activity from one app. Eligible users may also have access to overdraft-related features and other account benefits, depending on their account activity. The experience is centered on helping you manage your checking account rather than focusing on a single feature like overdraft coverage. If you prefer having multiple banking tools available in one place, Current offers a more complete everyday banking experience. So which one is better? Choose Chime SpotMe if avoiding declined purchases through eligible overdraft coverage is your biggest concern. That's the feature the platform is known for. Choose Current if you want a banking app that combines spending insights, budgeting tools, and account management in addition to overdraft-related features for eligible users. Here's the bottom line. Chime SpotMe is the stronger option if overdraft protection is your main priority. Current is the better fit if you want a well-rounded banking app that helps you manage your money beyond just covering short-term balance gaps. Your next step is to compare which features matter most to you. If you mainly need overdraft coverage, Chime SpotMe is likely the better match. If you're looking for a complete digital banking experience, Current deserves a closer look. If this comparison helped you choose the right app, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward comparisons of banking apps and personal finance tools.